Hello, I'm Justin,
And I'm Orion.
and today we're going to teach you how to make a paper airplane in a few easy steps. Alright, so the first step to make a paper airplane is to fold it hammer style and crease the edge so you can get a visible line down the center of the paper. After that, you unfold the paper, then you fold the corners down towards the center. After you have folded the corners down towards the center, you take the second corner and do the same as the last. After you get this weird box looking thing, you then have to fold it over in half again. Now after you have a kind of triangle, you then have to fold down the wing so it can fly. After you unfold the wings again, you are ready to fly.
I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so.